how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to bring this haul to you because guess what? My favorite shop is open. Let's get into this Primark haul. Now honey, let's talk about this dress. This dress immediately pulled my attention as soon as I saw it. It is so beautiful. Like, it's got a beautiful but modest slit just there on the left hand side, and it feels so gorgeous. I really love the simplicity of this dress. I got this in a size 12-14. So I picked up an 8-10, but never mind. Anyway, the material is so stretchy and just so breathable. It's really flattering to the body. It's just really gorgeous. You look at it like this and you feel like but once you put it on, girls, honestly, justice. Oh. Gorgeous dress. Like, I can't even believe, like, Primark, I can't believe it. Is this what you're doing? Okay, sis. Midi maxi, and it has a slit here just there on the side. The color is absolutely gorgeous, like just gorgeous, and it doesn't like hug your body, but it gives you enough, like it hugs you enough to give you shape, like, but without it being too disrespectful, if you know what I mean. But I mean, girls, like, what? Primark. Okay, it's like a low v-neck. You can put it up higher if you want to be a little bit more modest, but yeah, but it looks like that, and it's got this lovely cut just here, and the back looks like this. When I saw this, I was like, no, I need to cop that. I was like, what? It's so flattering to the body, like I can't even, like, it's absolutely beautiful. Because you know some dresses that are figure hugging, it kind of exposes every roll and every whatever. I've got rolls under this, girls, don't get it twisted. I've got rolls under this. I've got 4 kids, so there's rolls here, but I feel like with this dress it holds it enough. So these jeans were only £15, and I got it in a size 12, and it's a camouflage mid-rise, a little bit stretchy, which is good because you don't want to be like, you know, like stiff. You don't want to be stiff in your jeans, like, so I definitely like my jeans to have just a tiny bit of, not a tiny bit, quite a lot of pull and stretch to it, and this jeans definitely offer me that. This is what it looks like. It's got some really lovely details, if you don't mind me showing you. It's giving us pocket details here, and it's giving us Rambo style pockets here as well, and it's got a zip right there, and it's got another pocket here which comes in really handy. And you've got the same design on this side here as well. It's also got pockets at the back, and what I love in jeans, it also gives you the hoop, the belt hoop just here. I like cargo jeans that don't scream like army pants, and these don't scream army pants just based on the color itself. But although I feel like it's a little bit too tight, maybe I could have went for a 14. Okay, so let's talk about this dad jeans, which is not even something that I thought existed. I knew about mom jeans, boyfriend jeans, I didn't know about dad jeans. But let's talk about this high-waisted dad jeans right here. I got this one in a size 14, and it's high-waisted, and it was just £13. Like, honestly, you can get this from other places for like £45, £30, £35. And it also has the split hem details just here at the bottom, which is really in right now, really popular. You know, these type of trousers, they're really trending right now as well. So as soon as I saw it, I was like, yes ma'am, or should I say yes sir. Okay, so I could barely believe my eyes when I even saw these jeans just sitting there waving at me from the corner. I couldn't believe it. I'm usually a size 12, but however, I knew to go for a size 14 in these jeans, only because it has no pull to it whatsoever. There's like no stretch. It's absolutely beautiful. I do love it, and this is an alternative. I already have a pair of jeans like this from Pretty Little Thing, so you may not want to get, you know, you may want to go for like a cheaper alternative, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. And if you are thinking to do that, then these are definitely the jeans for you to go and get. Okay, so actually what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you a side by side with the one that I purchased from Pretty Little Thing, just so you can get like an idea of how similar these jeans are, okay? £35 maybe, I think it was £30, and then the one from Primark is £13. So yo, come on man, please, let's talk. Next I've got these jeans and they are high-waisted, ripped, skinny jeans. Got it in a size 12. It was £15. And it's got some ripped details just here. And it drags all the way down to the bottom. Primark have been improving when it comes to their jeans. They did not have jeans like this, like what, 6-7 years ago? No ma'am, they did not. But they have really made really big improvements with their jeans that, honestly, I've got jeans that I bought years back and I still have it. It's high-waisted and it's got ripped details just there. Mainly on the left leg, you got some ripped details just there. But it's so figure hugging as well, like it just complements your body all round. It's just really amazing. And I love me high-waisted jeans. Like I feel like high-waisted jeans, high-waisted trousers, anything high-waisted, count me in, I'm involved. You can mistake this for Topshop jeans. Honestly, like it's that good of a quality. And this one, however, has got a bit of a stretch to it compared to the other ones that I tried earlier on. This one has got a little bit of a pull, which is the A+. I think you can call it a cami top. And this is just £3. I really love Primark and their prices when it comes to like t-shirts and vest tops and stuff like that. It's so affordable, like it's just, honestly, it's really amazing. And even though it is just £3, like it will like last you a whole like year, even 2, okay? But obviously just wash it in the correct settings and it will definitely last. But I think it's the straps, this spaghetti strap that I was really drawn into. It's really simple and basic, but it's just, it adds a little bit of je ne sais quoi, you know, it just adds a little something to your outfit. I got mine in a size S, which is a small, also at size 10 or 12, and £3, and it's size 38 to size 40 European size. And it looks like this, and it's just a really basic top, but the feel is really, really nice. The material is thick as well. It's not your normal standard vest top that we do get from Primark. And I've just fell in love with the strap details right here. Like the strap details are very simple, but you know, it's kind of giving a different vibe to your outfit. And the back looks like this. Next, I've got these jogging bottoms, which I was really drawn to the color. It's a regular fit. I do believe that they also had like the I think it's called the skinny fit, I'm not sure, but I didn't want it too tight, you know. I still wanted it to be quite loose on me. So this is a regular fit jogger and it's £10, and I got it in a size 12, 14. But I really like the color. It's like a peach color. I don't know, I'm really into nudes now. I don't know, not sending them, just wearing like the color, girls. Yeah, I wanted it to sit really loosely, and it's got this roll up option just here at the bottom, which is how I will be wearing it. Jogging bottoms and heels are like a thing. I don't know if it's like, I don't know whether it's like fading out or being a thing, or if it's still in. But for me, I don't care. It's a thing for me. Like I will definitely rock this somewhere. Just like that. It's got pockets as well. You know I love me some pockets. And I just fell in love with the color, to be honest with you. And it's got cuffed details just there at the bottom. Comment down below. Let me know if you like this one, because I don't know, I think it's cute. So I've got a swimming costume, but I'm not going on holiday anytime soon. But do you know what? Actually, let me manifest that. Let me manifest holiday, beach, sand, sun, cocktail. Let me manifest it. It's really a bathing suit, but I just really liked the cut on it, and I thought I could wear this as a top. Although it's a little bit tight. This is a size 8, okay? And I had to go over my hips. My hips are not size 8, okay? So it was a bit of a struggle, but I just really liked the cut. I really liked the cut on this top. Still very, very beautiful, and it's ribbed as well, so it gives you that extra support. Like if you are from the itty bitty titty committee, you can definitely wear this without a bra. These are the type of tops where people are like, oh my god, where did you get that top from? And you're like, Primark, and they're like, no. Like, yes sis, I actually got this from Primark. Believe. Oh, focus. But I got it in a size 10, and it's a European size 38. It's double layered, and it's just really lovely. Again, like it's just something, I'm just into these type of skirts right now, and it's got a nice little flow to it as well. But listen, you can't deny it's a beautiful outfit. And I teamed it up with this skirt, which I just felt like it went so well together. I'm really into like long dresses now. My last 3 hauls, like I've had dresses that look similar to this. Like, I don't know why I'm so drawn into it now, but I teamed it up with this dress right here, and it's pleated and it's got the double layer there, so you don't need to worry about any Marilyn Monroe flyaways. But it looks so beautiful. I love the color, it's so calming. And the thing I like about these skirts is that it doesn't take away your figure. Like, it doesn't make you look huge either. Really classic, really mature, really lovely. I feel like this is like my most accomplished buy, to be honest with you, because I couldn't believe that Primark had it. But these tops literally look like the one from Zara, and I've got it in 2 different colors. It was just £5, and I've got this one in a size 12, 14. It looks like this, and it's a bodysuit, and I've got it in this color, and I've got it in the white as well, because I mean, come on, you can't go wrong with these tops. But yeah, here we go. Okay, so let's just talk about this top here for a minute. I don't know if you remember from my last Zara haul, I showcased a top so similar to this. Now, I'm one of those people where I don't mind shopping in Zara, but if I can get something exact same for a cheaper price, then count me in. Like, literally. Especially when it comes to things like clothes. Clothes fashion, it changes like every day. Almost every day there's a new fashion, there's a new something that is trending. Like, so I bought the other one from Zara, but this is the one I got from Zara. And I've got this one for $12.99. Don't know if you guys remember it, but it looks like this. I'm trying to show you guys the real thing. This is Zara. This is the one I got from Zara. This is Primark. Like, come on, it's the same. It's just the material is a little bit different, but it's exactly the same. This is another color which I just thought looked really, really nice. It's like a dusty pink. This sheer blouse right here, and I got this in a size M, and it was £10, and it's UK 12.14. But again, it's really nice and trendy as well, and it just adds to your outfit as well. Like, and it's got these lovely little details on. And yeah, really gorgeous from Primark. And this is what I mean about the little goodies that they throw in there. Look at this top. I just threw it on with these trousers that I got from Pretty Little Thing. It's the only thing I could quickly find to show you guys. But just look at this blouse. Just look at this blouse. How amazing is this blouse? So it's got this cuff details that sits really comfortably just here on my wrist. You can wear it down like this as well. I prefer to just have it rolled up a little bit like this. And then it's got like polka dot details, as you can see right there. Oh, by the way, before we go any further, I got the rings. Don't watch my nails, but I got the rings from Primark as well. Yeah, so it comes in a pack of 6, and it was £2, I believe. And also, might I add this very gorgeous, cute bracelet here as well. Really gorgeous, really, really gorgeous. I love gold. Like, I love gold and I love black, and I feel like black and gold just looks amazing together. So yeah, that's that. My goodness, I'm even forgetting. It's basically chokers, and I got 6 for £3, and I'm wearing 3 of the 6 chains. This blouse has like this V detail that comes out over here. Looks like that. Now, you guys should know by now, black is my favorite color. Put anything black on me and amazing, I love it. So unfortunately, the shoes and the trousers are both not from Primark, but I just wanted to show you how I would style this top. And they also had this top available in white as well, but I just thought that the black would stand out more on my skin. I got this ribbed cycling shorts, and I got it in a size S, which is a small, and it's a UK 10-12, and it's £5. And I love me anything that has like extra security, and this has like the band in it, which is going to hold up your cycling shorts, which means it's not going to be rolling down. I got this bralette. I don't know if you call it a bralette, or like, it's definitely not a sports bra, a crop top perhaps. This crop top, oh, I fell in love with the details here on the arm, like the straps. Like, I fell in love with it immediately. I got it in a size small, and it was £8, and it's really like good quality material. It has like a really good like stiff pull to it, if that makes sense. It's not like the jersey types, you know. Next, let's get it all the way together with this piece over here. So I got these cycling shorts, which I just feel like everybody just needs a cycling short. I've been meaning to get one for the longest time. I don't know why up until this point I've never had a cycling shorts. And everybody needs one of these jumpsuits in their wardrobe for the spring summer. It's just really simple, really basic like, but it's got one of those materials where it's not going to have you sweating out on the hottest day of summer, and it's not going to have you shivering on, you know, the coldest day of summer. It's really nice neutral color as well, and it's got this lovely color button details here, and it's in a size 10. And how much was it? And it was £15, and it's also belted as well, which always helps with giving you shape. It's just really convenient, and it's really lovely as well. It's got a belt detail right here, button details that come up along the front like that, and also the strap itself is really nice and lovely as well, you know. And it's really convenient as well to put on and take off. It doesn't take a lot of hassle. It's just really lovely, and it just complements you as well, like. And the back looks like that. And it also has a little bit of a pull to it as well. So I've got this one in a size 10, I believe. And I feel like it's perfect. It's really perfect. Mom jeans, and I've got it in a size 12. There's no pull to this. There's no stretch to this whatsoever. So if you are a bit in and out of size like I am, I mean, one other jean I got was size 14, and this is a size 12, and even the 14 was a little bit too tight anyways. So there's no pull. However, it is a gorgeous pair of jeans, and I really like the color. I believe this color is trending as well. And these jeans were £15. £15 for the mom jean, and I've got it in a size 12. So earlier on I bought you the dad jeans. This one here I've got on the mum jeans. Maybe a size 14 would have been good. It's got rolled up details just there at the bottom. I'm just going to pull it down to see what it looks like. And the thing I like about Primark, for the price of the jeans, it's like you're getting what you're paying for, if that makes sense. Okay guys, there we have it. I have come to the end of my Primark try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the pieces that I showed you. Unfortunately, because Primark is not an online shop, I can't really put the links down for you. But I hope with, you know, what I've described and what I've showed, for anyone who is interested or want to go and buy any of the pieces, I hope that, you know, it's helpful enough for you to go and find those pieces. Good luck to you, sis. But I have come to the end. Thank you so much for watching. If you've come this far, then girl, I need you to hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit that subscribe button and show your sister some love, okay? And I will catch you guys in my next video. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video about, and spread the word through this video, and let everybody know that Primark is open and ready for business. Just go in with your mask. Although I must admit, but you walk in and you have like the sanitizer right there. It's automatic, so you don't need to press the actual machine itself. Just put your hand out and the sanitizer comes out. There's sprays on the side if you want to, like, you know, clean your basket handle. The fitting rooms are closed. You can't use the fitting rooms, so it is what it is. But yeah, so Primark is open, and their summer spring items are really amazing, and I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I'll catch you guys in another one. Bye.